Hey everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll show you how to use Telegram web so you can chat from your browser without needing to install the app. So let's get started. First, open any browser you have and search for Telegram web and hit enter. Here the first search result is from the website web.telegram.org, which is an official website of Telegram. So click on this option. Now to log in you have two options, one with the QR code and another by using the phone number. Let me show you how you can log in using the QR code. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Now tap on this three lines option on the top left corner. Click on settings. Now scroll down and look for the option called devices. Tap on devices. Now click on link desktop device. Here now you can scan the QR again. Now you are logged into Telegram web. Once logged in, you'll see a familiar interface with all your chats on the left and the conversation window on the right. You can send messages, share files, and even create groups just like in the app. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.